Sa totoo lang guys, KYC alone won't protect your crypto. You might not know who the user is. Pero what happens when they become the threat? Kahit complete ang KYC, billions are still being lost to hacks, scams, and insider threats. Isang exchange nga lost over $1.5 billion this year and they were KYC compliant. Bakit? Kasi KYC is just an identity. Hindi ito behavior, hindi ito intent, hindi ito real-time defense. The smarter platforms today go beyond paperwork. Real-time systems now track trade behavior like wash trading, spoofing, and pump and dumps. Bago pa magkaroon ng complaints. Most user funds stored gold, offline and malayo sa mga anumang attacks. Now some even have on-chain protection funds. Visible, verifiable, and ready to respond. 90% of reserves are held in cold storage, protected by multi-signature requirement. Parang double authentication sa mga familiar apps. Mas matibay with more layers pa. Proof of reserves are published publicly, showing more than 100% coverage. Markado na ang pattern-based surveillance ang threats bago pa mag-escalate. On-chain protection funds for over $100 million exist to reimburse users kung sakaling may kapalpakan na maganap. Pero kahit ganito ka-layered ang protection, no system is perfect. Transparency doesn't replace personal due diligence. Always understand how your funds are stored, monitored, and protected. Web3 doesn't just need rules. It needs system that works in real time. Habang may nangyayari, hindi pagkatapos ng damage. Because real security today, it's not about promises, it's about proof.